Hello, welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. We got a package in from fastgrowingtrees.com. They did a really good job with it. So, they had a piece across here. They had a brace across here. Everything came in just fine. I got a plum tree, I got a blackberry, and a fig. Comes with instructions. Everything's online. If you look them up, fastgrowingtrees.com, and you look them up for whatever kind of plant, they have full instructions on there as to all the ways to grow it for the best health of the plants. It's very, very amazing there. And I got an affiliate link for them to the description below if you want to order through there. That'll help support the channel a little bit. And that'll be another video on another day. I started buying plants. All right, that'll be it, short and sweet. You have an awesome solar day.